Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Bildan Muhammad Syaban, usually called Bildan. Age, I am still young, aka 17 years. I was born in Bandung, October 17, 2003. Thank God, I was accepted at the Indonesian Education University through the SBMPTN orders track. It's an honor for me to be accepted at the University 3 based in Indonesia today. Although I was born in Bandung, but I was small in Garut City. Many happy and sad moments when in Garut. There is something unique. Even you could say it was glorious when I was 8 years old. One morning, I played in outside the house and coincidentally around the house many ducks were observing. Me really like ducks maybe because it's cut and adorable makes me always wanted to play with ducks. Well, long story short, my neighbor is make brown sugar in a large scale. When I am having fun playing with the duck, for some reason my mind went to put the ducks inside pan with hot sugar. Maybe it's because I am a kid. Don't think I put the ducks in a hot skillet for a long time. And I am funny, even laugh out loud. Not long after, the owner of Sugar and Duck came and miraculously didn't get angry when he saw the duck pot in the field. Maybe if I wasn't a child, I would have been scolded. The beginning of my education was at the Cikuya Bungbulang Islamic Kindergarten. When I was in kindergarten, there were many interesting things that I could mention. Then I continue my education at SDN Mekarjaya 2, not far from Cikuya Islamic Kindergarten. At SDN Mekarjaya, there are so many memorable experiences that I cannot even forget to this day, namely participating in the sub-district level of quiz competition, participating in the sub-district football competition, participating in the sub-district science olympiad, participating in the scout camp at Kaum Riung and Mekar Bakti. Some of these experience I got interesting experience, namely insect and family relationship. Then I continued my education at the Cikuya Bungbulang Islamic Middle School, one of the most favorite junior high school in Bungbulang sub-district. I am very proud to be able to make achievement at this school. Even the experience and insight that I get is not small. Among them, I participated in the inter-school student organization, VMR, Scouts, and Paskibra. I also took part in the rowing agility competition at Seman 7 Garut. Then I took part in a calligraphy competition throughout Garut Regency. I also attended the Scout Camp and PMR in Ciberem, Garut. Then I became an exemplar student at school, something I can be proud of and grateful for. Then my educational struggle continued at Madrasah Aliyah Negeri Cimahi, one of the most favorite high school in Cimahi City. I am very grateful to be accepted at this school. Why? Because the competition to accept is very heavy. Thanks to the prayer of my parents and my effort, God finally allowed me to accept. I got a lot of experience. Of course, I got new knowledge. Experience in organization include I have attended MPK organization as a member of Public Relations 1, Scott as chairman, Tahfid as secretary, and Rohis as head of the file of Da'wah. Then the achievement that I have presented to my beloved school include 2 place in the Tahfidz competition at the Cimahi city level, 2 place in the Adan competition at the Greater Bandung level, 2 place in the provincial level of smart contest, 1 place in a short video competition about Ottoman Turkey at the national level, and 2 place in the Geography Olympiad school level. Then my experience and insight increased when I joined the Cimahi Bisa Scholarship program. The program lasts for 6 months. The program aims to cultivate the spirit of youth who excel and can benefit everyone. As the word of the Prophet Muhammad, the best of people are those who are most beneficial to others. Hadis riwayat At-Tabrani. Therefore, the reason I joined the scholarship program was because I wanted to harm myself and insist so that it could be useful for others. Some of the texts of the scholarship include doing greenery around the city of Cimahi, making anti-corruption videos, making podcasts, and others. Then, I continued my education struggle at the Indonesian Education University, who does not want to study at the 3 best university in Indonesia. Surely everyone will. The beginning of my struggle to study at a state university was the SNMPTN path, but failed. Then I tried hard to take the SBMPTN, and thank God the results were very satisfying. I chose to major in Islamic religious education. The reason I chose this IPAI major, I went to deepen my Islamic knowledge and form religious attitudes in order to become a person who is beneficial to everyone. Then my hope is that I will study in the IPAI department so that my talents will develop, knowledge will increase, and I can become a lecturer. Speaking of dreams, I have a lot of dreams. Among them, what I want to achieve as soon as possible is to graduate from the Indonesian University of Education, because it is an honor for me to graduate at the university. Then, the next dream, I want to memorize the Al-Quran 30 juz, because memorizing the Quran is the greatest gift that Allah has given us. Then, my last dream was to have a private house and to bring my parents to the temple of Hajj. Then my life motto is do more good deeds, because we don't know what goodness will lead us to heaven. So, in conclusion, we must always be consistent in doing good. Even though the goodness looks trivial, it may be the trivial goodness that leads us to heaven. Sorry for all the mistakes and shortcomings. You know I am still learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.